Okay, so we're having a look here, and we're going to be talking about improper fractions and mixed numbers. Now let's start off first of all talking about what an improper fraction is. Now improper means that it's not proper. Okay, so you're talking about having a numerator which is bigger, okay, and a denominator which is smaller. So you're almost drawing a person where you've got a big head and a small little body, okay? We want a smaller head and a bigger body to be able to hold up the head, okay? So when you've got a bigger amount on the top, that's on the bottom, a bigger numerator than a denominator, you have an improper fraction. Now, here we've got a set of 4, another set of 4, all right? So what is our shape been equally divided into? It's been equally divided into 4, and over here it's also been equally divided into 4. So our denominator in this case is going to be 4, okay? If we have a look, how many have been shaded? So let's have a look. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 there, 5, 6, 7. 7 blocks out of those 4 have been shaded. So we're going to write 7 over 4. So do you see that this is bigger and this is smaller? So you now have an improper fraction. So we've answered A because it says, write the number that is represented by the shading in the diagram as an improper fraction. Now it says it wants a mixed number. Now a mixed number is something like this. It's something that, let's see if I can move that now. It's a big number, so it will be a 2. Oh, excuse me, let's move my pen on. We say a 2, and then a fraction next to it. Okay, so how many whole numbers, if we look at our picture, how many whole numbers have we got here? Well, that's a whole number because 4, it's been divided into 4, and 4 are shaded. So we've got 1 whole there, and then we've got 3 little ones that are shaded out of the 4. So how would we write that? Well, we would say we have 1 whole, let me put my pen on, 1 whole, and then we've got how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got the same, 1, 2, 3, 4, the same as this, okay? So we say we've got 4. And how many are shaded? 3. So basically, 1 3/4 is our mixed number. 7 over 4 is an improper fraction. They are both the same size. So 7 over 4 and 1 3/4 are the same size, just shown differently as an improper and a mixed number. And we're going to get to how to work those out. So go ahead and let's do the next section.